There is actually no doubt that not only man is capable of authenticity, truthfulness, reliability, honesty, sovereignty, behavior, understanding, and many other virtues, at least of developing, cultivating, and actualizing them, obviously separately and differently. But there is also always no doubt that man's souls are immortal, that the soul as a particular and general entity is not only invincible, untouchable, invisible, and basically uncontrollable, but is also literally transcendental and transformative of the human body or the physical realm in one way or another, inside of which not only do we have to dwell, but inside of which we're literally trapped and forced and constrained in one way or another, which we can neither escape nor run away from. And that means the soul has transcendence and transformation to it. The soul is capable of greatness, authenticity, truthfulness, anyways, in one way or another. Obviously, not all men are that equally honest, truthful, authentic, understanding, moral, but some men are very bad, evil because of their unacknowledged, unconscious content and basically unembraced shadow material and other darkness and inward evils which they repeatedly refuse to see in themselves. They eventually become controlled and governed by all, not only outward evil, external basically contradictions and chaos and judgments and obstacles, but also most importantly, they are governed by the unintegrated, unconscious and unembraced shadows in themselves in one way or another. And that is the danger of fighting with monsters and fighting against evils, that in the process of trying to basically fight and overcome all the external injustices, unfreedom and inequality, inflation, etc., we become victims of our own basically shadow material, unconscious content, which is unacknowledged and unintegrated anyways, which remains to be acknowledged and recognized in one way or another. That is the thing we need to try to understand, that the soul is not only invincible, but is literally invisible and unflinching and immovable, irreplaceable anyways. But then again, some men are good, others are bad, but the souls of the righteous, authentic, understanding, sovereign, self-knowledgeable, humanitarian men are immortal and divine, but the souls of the wicked, evil, unconscious men might be damned. That might go to hell, who knows. But then again, the soul has invincibility and impenetrability to it. That is what we know so far. The soul can neither be controlled nor understood